Dear students, the video is about providing the updates related to syllabus for C-26 curriculum. To access that, you can type this URL. Newly added courses in C-26 curriculum are aircraft maintenance engineering, advanced manufacturing technology, automation robotics, biotechnology, computer applications and business management, civil engineering, building services engineering, civil engineering, real estate and valuation, construction technology and management, diploma in electrical engineering and electrical vehicle technology, diploma in interior design, landscape, diploma in multimedia and electronics engineering, diploma in printing and data analytics, diploma in semiconductor technology. These were the newly added courses in the new curriculum. The old courses like commercial and computer science practice and electronics and video engineering, printing technology and textile technology is not reflecting in the new curriculum. So choose your options carefully, dear students. Thank you and all the best for your future plans.